Hey, it's John here from John Still Runs. I'm on the way to Dubbo Parkrun. It's the 30th of April 2022 and it's raining quite a lot. In fact, it might be about the rainiest parkrun we've had in Dubbo for some time. So it's going to be interesting. I'm going to do some filming of the gathering and see how many people come for the briefing, then film the start and the finish. I'm also bringing a portable shelter for the volunteers to hide under. So it should be quite interesting, and I'm looking forward to parkrun in the rain. So as you can see, the conditions are wet. Quite a bit of water on the road and still quite dark. Well, it's not dark, but it's getting lighter. It's just that there's so much cloud cover that it gives that appearance of a little bit of darkness. Well, yep, coming in now, near the start, find a park, and I think I'll get this portable shelter out of the car, and hopefully there's some volunteers already there to help me put it up. Going through some water now. I think we might have a fairly low number of park runners today. What do you think? We'll see. It'll be the die-hards. I've got to have a guess and say 80. Usually we have 300 to 400 come to Dubbo Parkrun. We've got a very good, fantastic group of people that come to parkrun at Dubbo, and the numbers are always very high. But today, well, we'll see. I can see my fellow director. Whoop. Here we go. I'll just open the window here. Hey, Karen. I've got the shelter. I'll come out in a minute. I'll park behind you. Right, just coming over to the start. Have a bit of a look at the start. See what's happening with. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Bit of a puddle there, but that'll be a good start. I might find a spot that I'll do the slow motion start of what I'm guessing to be about 80. Well, we'll see how close I am to the number. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Beautiful morning.
Beautiful. Running, what do you mean? Yeah, that's what I'm like. Hang on.
rain? First timers in the rain?
Oh, good on ya.
Any tourists? Just a lot of die-hard locals. If anyone's doing a milestone today, congratulations. We have
Good work. Good work, Rod. Good work. Hey, good work, Jeff. Hey, Steve, well done. Good running. work. Heat, wind. Rain's much better. We thought that sign should say slippery when wet. Oh, it does say caution wet floor though on the other side though. I'm filming this for